Want to place text behind an object in Adobe Premiere Pro? Here's a quick and easy way to do it. First, place your video on the timeline. Next, add your text and position it where you want it to appear. Now duplicate your video layer and place the duplicate above the text layer. Then go to the Effects panel and search for Color Key. Drag the Color Key effect onto the duplicated video layer. Next, move to the Effect Controls panel. Under Color Key, select the Eyedropper tool and click on the color where the text appears behind the object. Now increase the color tolerance value until the text starts to show through. Keep adjusting the tolerance until you get a clean result. And that's it! You've successfully created a text behind object effect in Adobe Premiere Pro. If you found this tutorial helpful, subscribe for more Premiere Pro tips and creative editing effects. And let me know in the comments which effect you'd like to learn next.